Hey everyone, this is Aishwarya here. I am the career success analyst and founder of iSet Career. I am on a I am on a mission to help many students in finding their dream career path. Okay, in this video I am going to tell about how to make the right career path in 4 steps. Step number 1, assess yourself. Find out who you are right now. So this is the first step you are going to do. Think about what is that you are really interested in, what is that you really enjoy, what is that you are really good at, because these are some of the factors which will help you to make a better career decision that matches with your skills and abilities. Let me give you some more clarification. Okay, so what subjects have you really enjoyed studying in your school and beyond, and why? Is it because you like the person who had taught you, or there is something about the subject which you are really interested in? Find out the answers for that. What are the subjects you really you have done well? Okay, so could you see yourself in a job that is something which you do every day? Sounds interesting, right? Yes. This is what we are going to figure out. How you are going to find out the answers for all these questions. Take scientific career assessment. Okay, so this will help you in finding the better career choice based on your personal traits, qualities, and your strengths. Okay. All I need from you is a piece of paper and pen with you. Okay, what we are going to do is SWOT analysis. So be honest with me. So if you want, you can pause this video and go and get a piece of paper and a pen. Okay, SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So please list out what are your strengths, weakness. Okay, so what are the threats for your goals, and what are the opportunities you can reach out and grab when you apply your mind or complete effort towards it. Okay, list out all these things. Then think about the skills you already have, and think about the skills which you want to build on. What skill come to you, what skill come easy to you? Okay, so if you say I'm very good at communication, so I'm very good at management, administration. I'm good at teamwork, right? So all of these are related to communication maybe. So you might be interested in the career paths like nursing, teaching, any investigative kind of job or reporting kind of jobs. Okay, suppose if you want to be in a sports profession, if you want to be a sports person, what is that you need to focus? Yes, of course, it is your fitness level. So the level of fitness is something which you need to work on throughout your career. So once you had a good think about your skills and interest, make a list of all the career paths you think, okay, that could be a good match for you. But always remember, there are a lot more careers which are available, which might be a good match for you, which you aren't aware of also, right? Step number 2, build a list of careers you want to learn more about. Okay, if you have access to your strength, your interest, and your skills, now by this time you will be having a long list of career paths in your paper, right? Yes, so use the top career choices and try to expand the list. Okay, the next, so that is the next thing you need to do. Okay, so always you aim for at least 10 career paths in your list. So because there is no such thing as just one dream career, lots of career could be a great match for you, right? So now already you have got your dream career paths in your list, right? Yes. So now next thing is go to the career library. Go to our career library section. So the link to the career library I have given in the description below. You can go to that, and you will be finding the 20 different domains or areas or sections under which your career path is falling into. Okay, so then you will be able to find out the description for the career path, what is a pay, what are the qualifications needed to pursue that career path, or how to get started when you leave your school. Okay, so you will get answer for all these questions. Okay, so for example, say if you like a teaching profession, right? So you will be going to the education and training section. and find out so many things related to teaching. At the same time, you will also discover one more career option called IT trainer or corporate trainer, and decide that that's okay. This sounds very pretty good. It's good for me. So that's how you need to expand your list. Okay. So by this time, you should be having a good sized list of career choices that you like really. Okay. So there will be a strong possibility that some of the careers you might have thought of, or some of the careers you might not be aware of also, right? Step number 3, create 2 to 5 top career choices in the list. Okay, it's the time to narrow down your career choices, but not too much also. You have an open mind, because there is more than there is more than one dream career out there waiting for you. Pick the careers which you are really interested in. Aim for the career options which you have the eligibility or qualifications so far. Okay, that means, for example, if you are in 11th or 12th grade and you have already selected your stream, then decide your career path based on that accordingly. Okay, suppose if you are a 10th student, then no problem. Next year you can take the stream accordingly. Okay, so now, so based on your top career choices, now you are going to select your subjects. So the combination of subject is very important, because that is going to be the strong foundation for your future career. Okay. Step number 4, visualize your goals. So think about your short term and long term goals. So far you have done a lot of analysis and you have figured out the career paths which is very suitable for you. Okay, so the next step you need to think is the goals which you need to achieve. Okay, so to make your top choice a reality, so what are you going to work towards in next few months or next few years? So this is going to be your short term goals and long term goals. Create a document or a spreadsheet. So list down all your goals. Okay, then you add a date to it so that it will be an achievable one. Okay, for example, is there any grade you want to achieve in your, it may be in your project, school project, or in your exam? So there might be some topic you need to research, or it may be an hour you would like to spend on the online, finding online interviews of the people who are doing your dream job. So anything else. So the goals may be your goals may be small or large, so they can be achieved next day or next year also, but it should be an achievable one. So always remember that. Okay, so now create your list of achievable goals, add due by dates for that, and yes, so you have taken a very big step to not only choosing a career but also setting your dream in motion. Yes, congratulations to you. Yes, congratulations on being an action taker today. Okay, so these are the 4 steps to find out your right career path. Okay, so if you like my talk, kindly subscribe to my channel and like my video. If you have any queries related to career counseling or scientific career assessment, you can reach out to me. I will see you in the next video of my career talk. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.